sort of a insurance. Where's Matty? So I sort of sat down pretty hard on it. I had a big day. Let's get on with it, eh? Split it into knife.
The soft light cast a hue.
There.
Dark shadows blending with
Some home issues.
soft
I know I've been using your toilet and it doesn't work. Peter, about to make it. McDonald's.
I'll
So-
marry you. I will be.
Oh, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful, glorious, sunny morning. May Trev, welcome. Today is Friday. Welcome to my Friday vlog. 30th of August. Is that it? Yeah, 30th of August. Yeah. Tomorrow will be the last day of the month. Now, I've just picked up some people, and now I'm just got to go to the RSCV to put in for a claim for my car incident. A lady backed into me yesterday, so I've got to try and get a claim for that because I'm in third-party insurance. I've got that, which is good. So it pays to join the RSCV premium insurance third party, because if someone runs into you, well, you need to be covered and against that other person that hit you. So just showed a little bit of damage, but yeah, look at that. She sideswiped me. That panel came off, but I actually whacked it back in. Yeah, pretty, eh? But doesn't do much damage. It's only just scraped, really. But I think I've done a little bit more damage to her car. But it's not my fault. Well, I suppose I can't blame anybody really, because everything happened in one time. Everything happened at the same time, sort of thing, you know. She backed out, and I tried to get into the car park, and she hit me. But she didn't see me coming. I had my indicator going. Just so happens that, you know, it all happened at once. Anyway, we'll get sorted out. Now, this weekend, apparently Saturday, we had plans to do the filming for the East Side, West Side Time to Kill with Frank and Graham and Sab, but unfortunately it's cancelled. So something happened with Frank's family. So I don't know what it is. I haven't been notified or why. So, but anyway, Frank called it a cancellation the Saturday. So we could be doing it, I don't know, the following weekend or maybe the weekend after. We'll see. We'll see what time permits. So anyway, so it looks like I'm going to have a good weekend, an easy weekend. Yeah, now it's a beautiful day. And when I mentioned about the RSCV, joining the RSCV to cover third-party insurance, whatever, each state has their own sort of a insurance. Like you got the RSCV in Victoria, New South Wales is NRMA, and Queensland, I'm not too sure, I can't think of the name, Queensland, Western Australia, South Australia, they're all got their own, you know, their own insurances, sort of thing, for car. So anyway, I'm covered anyway with third-party insurance, and I'm covered in Total Care, which is called Total Care, the RSCV. Total Care is a full cover because, you know, if you break down or something like that, well, you know, you're entitled to accommodation for 10 days. 10 days accommodation wherever you are, if you're away from your hometown or whatever. So that has happened over the past. So it's a good service. So the other one is the big insurance, which is the I don't know what the name of it is, but you pay so much a year, and they give you accommodation if you have an accident or if it's a wipeout of your car. Well, you're entitled for another vehicle. So, but anyway, so don't forget on this vlog I'll be putting up food treat. Yeah, I'll be making you a food treat. Stay tuned for that one. Oh yeah. This is a really beautiful river. Of course the Ovens River. A lot of people go swimming here. Just taking her for a little walk. Glorious day to be walking around. Now down here, there's no one here. This creates hundreds of people down here. During the summertime when they go swimming, this is what you call the Sydney Beach. Yeah. And a very favourite swimming area. So anyway, we're going to go for a walk along that bridge. This is where we've done the filming of the East Side, West Side Time to Kill, remember? Yeah. Let's go for a walk. Dragging a branch. Manny comes down. Manny. Where's Manny?
Oh God Almighty, please allow, let the children sing. Skies of blue, clouds of white, let the children sing. Raindrops fall onto the ground, little chime bells ring. Sun shines high in the sky, smiles are everywhere. Joy and fun where the children play, love is in the air. Thanks so clear, our voice sounds so clear. Heaven's hear us all the time, we can do no wrong. Let us sing out loud and clear in the distance, the bells ring. Oh God Almighty, please allow, let the children sing. Roses bloom so beautiful, in the gardens grow so well. The grass is green, the nature's on, hear the sounding of church bells. The children form into a ring, join hands and dance away. Rainbow colours of ribbons spells harmony today. Us children sing on stage so clear, our voices sound so strong. Heavens hear us all the time, we can do no wrong. Let us sing out loud and clear in the distance, the bells ring. Oh God Almighty, please allow, let the children sing. Us children sing on stage so clear, our voices sound so strong. The heavens hear us all the time, we can do no wrong. Let us sing out loud and clear in the distance, the bells ring. Oh God Almighty, please allow, let the children sing. Oh God Almighty, please allow, let the children sing.
May Trev, welcome. Today is Thursday, 29th of August, and this month of August is counting down. So I'm just waiting for my brother to come out of the nursing home, and we've got to go into town to do some errands. So I just thought I'd have a little bit of a chat while I'm waiting for him. And so we had a good night last night at the Northeastern Hotel, and it was a great night. And I hope you liked that song on Facebook. I posted on Facebook and Instagram. Facebook is better. You'll get the full version of me singing "Let the Children Sing." Yeah, it was a great song. It's one of my favourite songs I've written so far. So, so that was a really good night. And of course, I've got a day off today, a bit too. So I'll be working tomorrow. So things are getting a little bit busy with the work I do. So because yesterday I had a little injury yesterday, and because I hurt my my buttock, whatever it's in my butt. Yeah. So I sort of sat down pretty hard on the corner of the seat of the vehicle, and it really hurt, very painful. So I've been in agony all night actually over it. So but I think it'll be all right, because I think it's just bruised actually around the buttock area. So I think I may have bruised it. So anyway, that's the story. So I just got to take things easy. So I got to walk steadily a bit now, and I haven't been feeling well through the night, this morning even. So but that's okay. With a bit of sunshine now, the sunshine outside, get a bit of vitamin D. I feel good. Things will get better. Should be all right. Yes.
Yeah. So it's a beautiful, glorious day. We didn't have much of a frost this morning. Well, we didn't even have a frost this morning. It was just cold, actually. So it was a cold morning. Oh, and so I'm using my mobile phone camera. I've got to get used to this. So now I'm learning things now from the mobile phone. I can actually transfer my videos from my mobile phone to a YouTube channel. I can do that. Now I'm learning. I never used to do that very much. I wasn't too sure about it. Anyway, it's a good day to be out and about, and it's Thursday. Yeah, it's me again. Yeah, I'm lying down. uh, I'm just having to lie down because I took a Panadol actually because, as I mentioned about my buttock, it's in the buttock joint, right in the middle, in my buttock. It's been very painful. So I took a Panadol, and now I'm just resting at the moment, just rest it off. So yeah, I've had a big day. Not only that, I had a bit of a bingle. Someone backed into my car, actually, the side of my car. So wasn't major really, major damage. I suppose we could blame ourselves. So I'm not going to go into the story really, but that was my day. But I'm okay. I'll be right. I think I may have bruised in my buttock. The bruise may disappear after a while, so I've just got to take it easy. No, I mean, anyway, I'll be back at work tomorrow, so I've got to take clients tomorrow, so more driving.
Welcome to Food Treat. Today, Trev's Food Treat. Yeah, what are we going to make food? A treat. So what are we going to make today? I want to thank you, Karen, for your idea of making a banana split. And, well, banana split and ice cream, I think should do it. So let's get on with it, eh? Let's go for banana split and ice cream. So all we need is a bowl. Now look at this beautiful bowl. It's a lovely shape. And it's a nice lovely shape to put a banana in there. Yeah. And we need ice magic. Yep. A banana. One banana. And what we need is some blueberries, raspberries, dark chocolate chips, honey granola, yeah, maple syrup, cream, yeah, and some wafers, natural ice cream wafers. Okay, so let's go. Now what we need to do, split your banana. We need to split it with a knife, just like that. And we'll just put that in that little bowl. Yeah. Just like that. We're going to top it up, put some ice cream in it. Oh, you don't forget the ice cream. Yes. I didn't bring the ice cream out while I'm talking because you know what ice cream does. It melts very, very quickly. So, we've got the ice cream. We'll get a scoop. Put that in there. Another scoop in there. So we need at least 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. You can use any ice cream if you want. You can use different colour ice cream, jazz it up a bit, and also you can use yogurt, frozen yogurt as well. So if you want to be a little bit of vegan, you can use frozen yogurt. So we got that ice cream, and we need a handful of granola, crushed granola. All you need is a handful, that's all we need. Beautiful. Yeah, this is honey granola. You can use anything else. You can use rice bubbles if you want. You can use anything to top that up. So, and we need some raspberries. I'll put just a few, just a small little handful of raspberries in there. And some blueberries in there. Put some more in there. Oh yeah. And we need some maple syrup. Just a little drizzle over that. And we need some ice magic. I've got to undo the... Why couldn't I do this before? Got to get this sealing off. Make sure you shake it. Never ever put these in the fridge, because otherwise you'll never get it out. Yeah, it has to be at a room temperature, I guess. Just drizzle that along there, look at that. Just a little bit. And top up with cream. No, chocolate chips. Don't forget the chocolate chip. I'm going to sprinkle some of those on there. Oops, I'm making a mess. Grip it very well. So we'll just top that over there like that. And cream. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Halabalabacalabala. And the encore. Why do they make things so hard? Can't get the wafers out. So we just dip that one in there. We might put one in there. There, put top there. How's that? Look at that. Banana split and ice cream. Topped with fruit. Lovely fruit. So there you have it. That was quick. Oh yeah. Full of goodness too, with fruit and granola. Oh, scrump. This is scrumptious, really. Hope you can make your banana split with a food treat with Trev. See you next time. Next week, be the milkshake next week. Milkshake Trev. Look out for him. I'm going to enjoy this. Bye. Now, this weekend we're supposed to do the filming, as I said earlier, we're supposed to do the filming of the East Side West Side Time to Kill with Frank, and unfortunately Frank has some home issues, which is very understandable, so I hope it all gets resolved and we do it another day, so that's fine. And yes, Life does get in the way, doesn't it? It certainly does. Life gets in my way sometimes. Yes. And yes, Frank, get that toilet fixed right now. Get that toilet fixed. The toilet. I know I've been using your toilet and it doesn't work. Press the button, won't flush. Yeah. Well, I hope you get that fixed anyway, Frank. You need that toilet going. Now, I hope you enjoyed my banana split and ice cream. Thank you, Karen. Karen for you. She has a channel, and yes, follow her. Thank you, Karen, for that idea. The banana split and ice cream. Yes, just like old times. Yes. And anyway, I've had a big day today. I've had it busy, and of course, working for as a community driver. And so then I took my brother out, Peter, out to McDonald's, out in South Green Road, and went there, and I took him back, and I went shopping. I came home and did the film for the banana split ice cream. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed that song too. That the children sing. That was me on stage at the Northo on Wednesday night, and that was a great night. So I hope you enjoyed that. So anyway, until I will do another upload tomorrow, which will be the last day of the month, which will be Saturday. Anyway, you never know what I get up to. Create harmony. Thanks. Bye. Yeah. You never know what I get up to next. Bye. And thank you for all your comments too as well.